Hello. You are welcome to this channel. Today, I am going to show you how to set up social media accounts for your business for better online presence, a step-by-step guide for beginners. An important component for any business is social media. Brands connect with their customers with the help of social media platforms, increase brand awareness, and bring them leads and sales. In this video, I am going to guide you on how to set up social media accounts for your business. Over 3.80 billion people around the world are using social media every month. How much is 3.8 billion, you ask? Well, to sum up, China's and India's population is 2.82 billion, and these two are the countries with the highest population. So yes, 3.8 billion is a substantial number. Easy fact, your brand needs a social media presence. While we always discuss the value and benefits of having a business profile on social media, let us take a look at how to build a good social media profile. You might be discouraged by the requirements to create a social media profile. If you prefer having an all-in-one guide for building a social media profile for your business, this blog is for you. Now let us look at the features of a successful social media profile. Display name. This seems relatively fundamental. The name that appears on social media profiles is the display name. Your real name can be a display name. Whereas, some networks like Twitter give you the choice of using a nickname. Username. The username on most social media networks is in the URL and usually cannot be changed. So choose wisely. The best way is to use the same name across all social media networks. At your name on Instagram, at your company name on Twitter, at your middle name on Facebook can be confusing. As an exclusion, if you have legal restrictions or you are the company's face, you may choose otherwise. Profile picture. You can go with your picture or the company logo in case of the company profile unless, of course, you are a brand yourself, ex-musicians, politicians, singers. As per the best method, use a headshot. Again, it's a good practice and approved to go for the same profile picture on all your social media profiles. Company link. For business profiles, it's a suitable idea to put your company link in front and center. It gives assurance that you get maximum disclosure, and people visit your company profile by clicking on the link. You can design social media specific landing page links so that you can keep a record of which network brings you the most traffic. You can even use these pages to offer unique discounts to audiences who have found you on specific social media networks. You can list these offers in your blog. In that, you benefit in both ways. Profile biography. It is a preface to your brand. The length of the bio will range depending on the limit given by different social networks. Typically, it includes a line or two about your business. Profile tip: finish your biography with a call to action. An excellent impression matters a lot. Background or cover photo. Some social platforms allow you to have a background image just behind your profile photo. Some brands select a default cover picture, but that is an opportunity lost. You can share a piece of additional information about your brand. Make sure it is not too rowdy or essential for your profile photo. Privacy setting. After you have finished with the necessary information on your profile, take a look at your profile's privacy setting. For each network, it will be different, but make sure the information you want to share is open to the right audience. Perhaps, if it's a business profile, you will want to keep information public, but you might need to hide some information for a personal profile. Activity. The cheerful part is sharing interesting content. Social media code of conducts. Before moving forward with creating your social profiles, it's important to know some social media standards. Sourcing properly. Do not give out content that you received from an untrustworthy source. Watch out for the information you read. Deletions and errors. Observe if you are editing a post that is publicized. Do not replace the pictures of the original article, especially if it's deceptive. Accountability. Be committed to the information you transmit. Show apology if someone is annoyed by your content. Privacy. Respect the solitude of everyone. Please do not give out any personal information about someone without their license or consent. Personal bias. Do not change facts to match your opinion, this can be misleading. Apart from the points listed above, if your business belongs to a regulated sector such as finance, healthcare, etc., learn about social media compliance for regulated industries. General demands before creating profiles on social media platforms. Email address. Just like your home address, the email address is a digital address because all the essential information will be conveyed via email. Make sure it is your working email. Use one email address for all your social media profiles also. It enables ownership over accounts to be retained and keeps all accounts compatible and organized. Create one if you don't have a business email ID. Username versus name. A name is your real name, while a username can be your nickname. The presented name on your profile can be a username or a real name, depending on different social networks. Notwithstanding, it is appropriate to keep the same name throughout social networks for consistency and visibility. At some points, the display name cannot be changed once you submit it. So you have to be careful when you enter your details. In the aspect of business profiles, the display name should be the name of the company or brand that you represent. Password. Create a password you can easily remember. Do not share your password with anyone. It should not be a universal name. Characteristics of a strong password. 1. Should not be less than 8 characters, more the better. 2. Uppercase and lowercase should be combined. 3. One unique character at least. 4. One numeric value at least. Now let us talk about how to set up social media accounts for your business, a detailed process to creating a profile for your business on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, LinkedIn and TikTok. To do this, you have to click on the link in the description of this video for a detailed guide article on how to set up social media profiles for your business. Thank you for watching. And please subscribe to this channel.